Voyager 1, which was launched a long time ago, is still going way farther than we thought it could. It's traveled millions of miles and reached places no other spacecraft has. It just sent back data that's got scientists rethinking what they knew about the edge of the solar system in a spot called the heliopause. They're saying it's a wild discovery. It took off in 1977 with a simple goal: check out the outer planets, get some data, and maybe cross into deep space. After swinging by Jupiter and Saturn and sending back amazing pictures and info, it kept going. In 2012, it became the first thing we made to leave our solar system, crossing the heliopause into interstellar space. But now, over 47 years later, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. It found something at the edge of our solar system that scientists weren't expecting. The heliopause is where the sun's influence stops, where the solar wind fades out and interstellar space begins. So, what does it mean to cross this line? What's on the other side? The heliopause acts like a shield, protecting us from stuff out in the galaxy. But by crossing it, Voyager 1 has run into things we haven't been able to study closely before, things that seem to go against the rules of physics. Recent info from Voyager 1 has scientists puzzled. They've noticed a magnetic field jumping around, kind of like a vibration, in interstellar space. They couldn't explain what that was until now. It's strange because the magnetic field should be pretty stable out there. These changes suggest that something's happening at the edge of the heliopause that we couldn't see before. Maybe it's a new kind of energy or even a sign that there are forces in deep space we don't understand yet. What's really going on at the boundary of our solar system? Some scientists think these magnetic field changes could be a kind of energy we've never seen, like an echo from the far reaches of the universe. But the ideas get even stranger. Could something out there be messing with the solar system? Are these magnetic vibrations reacting to something outside? It's almost like the edge of the heliosphere is pushing back. The signals are weak but keep repeating, showing patterns we've never seen. Another idea is that the heliopause might be getting squeezed by some kind of energy from the Milky Way or even farther out. This could be from the stellar winds of nearby stars or something way more distant and unknown. If that's true, we might be seeing a new physical thing and finding out that the solar system is connected to other parts of the galaxy through these currents. To some scientists, this isn't just interesting, it's a wake-up call. Voyager 1 might be finding an energy grid or something like that at the edge of our solar system. If these streams are real, we're seeing for the first time how the solar system is connected to the galaxy in a way we didn't realize. This could totally change how we think about energy in the universe. These energy currents could be like invisible bridges between stars and solar systems, sending energy back and forth across the galaxy. If that's right, we might be about to find a basic structure of the universe, stretching through space and linking everything in a cosmic web. Voyager 1's mission has been a one-way trip into the unknown. With every signal it sends back, it reminds us how little we know about the edges of our own solar system. Even though its instruments are from the 70s, they've been way more useful for space studies than we ever thought. Voyager 1's tech might be old, but it's still our best way to see what's going on at the edge of the solar system. It's recording things we didn't even expect when it launched, and it's the only thing we have out there to witness it. Even though it's over 14 billion miles away, Voyager 1 keeps sending back important stuff. Every signal is like a message from the unknown. Voyager 1's discoveries make us want to keep going, to build spacecraft that can go even deeper, and to solve the mysteries of the universe. As Voyager 1 shows us what is possible, we're getting ready to take the next step in space studies. And let's not forget what Elon Musk, a big name in space tech, said. He's been keeping up with Voyager 1's news. And he said, this discovery should wake everyone up. Musk thinks this Voyager 1's data could speed up efforts to make spacecraft for traveling between stars that can outdo what our current space tech. With his SpaceX plans, Musk has always wanted to go to deep space, and this discovery gives him more enthusiasm to create new tech to go even farther. Could this info from Voyager 1 spark a new time of interstellar checking? According to Musk, the recent find proves that the universe is full of undiscovered secrets, and we are about ready to check them out. We can't rule out that there are living things out there, interacting with our own solar system. I know it sounds kind of out there. We might find life following our next check. Voyager 1 has gone past what we have seen before. Even though its trip is coming to an end, the questions will keep scientists guessing. We live on this tiny, little planet. Voyager 1 shows us all of these mysteries far away. Voyager 1 is giving us the chance to see a space that is weirder than we thought. Space is changing because of Voyager 1's discovery. It's given us a look into space and the universe. As Voyager 1 continues, more will be known. Everyone wants to go to space, and Voyager may first inspire so many new young adults to continue the space exploration. Voyager 1 launches so long ago on a crazy mission gone so far. It sent back data's turned everyone's thinking upside down. Voyager 1, shot off way back when, is somehow still going strong, even farther than we thought possible. It's traveled millions of miles and hit spots no other spacecraft has. Now, it's sending back data that's messing with what we knew about the edge of the solar system in a place called the heliopause. Scientists are calling it a crazy find. It took off in '77 with a simple plan: check out the outer planets, get some data, and maybe cross the line into deep space. After swinging by Jupiter and Saturn and sending back awesome pictures, it kept going. In 2012, it was the first thing we ever made to leave the solar system, crossing into interstellar space. But now, over 47 years later, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. It found something at the edge of our solar system that scientists weren't expecting. The heliopause is where the sun's power sort of stops, where the solar wind fades out and interstellar space begins. What does it mean to cross this line? What's on the other side? The heliopause acts like a shield. It keeps the bad stuff from the galaxy away. But now Voyager 1 has run into things we've never been able to check out closely, things that seem to break the rules of physics. Recent data from Voyager 1 has scientists stumped. They've seen the magnetic field jumping around, and space we couldn't explain before. It's strange because the magnetic field should be pretty steady out there. These changes hint that something's going on that we couldn't see before. Maybe it's a new type of energy or a sign that there are forces in deep space. What's really happening at the border of our solar system? Some scientists think the magnetic field changes could be a kind of energy we've never seen, like an echo from the universe. But what if something is messing with the solar system? Are the magnetic vibrations reacting to something outside? It's like the edge of it all is pushing back. The signals are weak but keep repeating, showing patterns we've never seen. Another idea is that the heliopause might be getting squeezed by some kind of energy from the Milky Way or even farther out. This could be from the stellar winds of stars nearby or something really distant. If that's true, we might be spotting a new thing and finding out that the solar system is linked to other parts of the galaxy. To some scientists, this is a big deal. Voyager 1 might be finding an energy grid at the edge of the solar system. If these energies are real, this is the first time seeing how it's all tied together. These energy currents could act like invisible paths between stars and solar systems, allowing energy to flow across the galaxy. We might be about to find a structure that links everything like a web. Voyager 1's mission has been a one-way trip into the unknown. Every signal it sends back reminds us how little we know. Even though its tools were made in the '70s, they've been way more helpful than we ever thought. Voyager 1's tech might be old, but it's the best thing we have for seeing what's going on. It's logging things we didn't expect, and it's the only thing we have seeing it. Even though it's super far away, Voyager 1 keeps sending back useful stuff. Every signal is a message from the unknown. Voyager 1's finds make many want to build spacecraft that can go even deeper and figure out the mysteries of the universe. Elon Musk is keeping up with Voyager 1's discoveries. Musk thinks the data could push us to make interstellar spacecraft that can go past the limits of space tech. Could this info from Voyager 1 kick off a good time for space exploration? According to Musk, the recent discovery proves that the universe is full of secrets, and we are ready to them out. We can't rule out unknown life or biological stuff might be messing with solar system structures. It sounds like science fiction, but every discovery gets us closer to understanding if we're alone in the universe. Voyager 1 has gone past lines we've ever crossed. It's shown us how huge and mysterious the universe is. Even though its trip will come to a stop, the questions it leaves behind will stay. We live on a tiny planet at the edge of a galaxy. Now, because of Voyager 1, we know there are forces that we don't understand. What's waiting for us? Voyager 1 reminds us that exploration never stops. It's giving us a look into a universe that's weirder than we thought. The discoveries are changing how we see everything. Voyager 1 launched on a crazy mission which goes past where we thought. It went millions of miles through the space. It has now sent information that is changing what we knew about our edge of everything and what is nearby.